Hello everyone. In this video I explain about how to convert 2D image to 3D model. Let's start. Open Blender. Now go to Edit, Preference, Add-ons. Here click Install. I have the add-on in my desktop. Now select click Install. Now check to enable the add-on. Now close it. Now press N. Here the Trace Genuine Add-ons. OK. Before, delete this. OK. First, I try default setting. I open the image here. OK. I use this logo. Now I go to front view. Now press R plus X 90, rotate it. OK. I use this default setting. Now press Trace Shape. Now rotate it. Now select it and press G to move the logo. Now here press Add Geometry. Here increase the geometry value and bevel. Now again select the logo. This time I select the outline option to trace the logo. See what happen. Now rotate it. And I move it here. OK. Finally I select this options, outline and invert option. Now select the logo. Now press Trace Shape. OK. I move this logo. And select this outline logo, rotate it. And move it here. OK. I use this logo as final. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. I see you on another useful video. Thanks for watching. Bye.